What if I told you the secret to getting rich isn't about working harder, but working smarter? In 2025, a handful of assets could unlock the financial freedom you've been dreaming about. No lottery, no magic wand, just smart choices anyone can make. Welcome to your roadmap to wealth in 2025. Today, we're diving into 8 powerful assets that are quietly turning ordinary people into millionaires. The best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street genius or have a fat bank account to get started. These opportunities are accessible, proven, and ready for you to tap into. Stick with us until the end, and you'll have the blueprint to kickstart your financial transformation in the new year. Let's get started. Leading the list is real estate, a dynamic asset that provides unmatched versatility for wealth creation. Beyond the well-known avenues of rental income and property appreciation, real estate offers opportunities for leveraging equity to fund other investments or projects. For instance, owning a property allows you to access lines of credit based on its value, enabling you to reinvest and grow your portfolio strategically. Additionally, real estate opens doors to innovative approaches like house hacking, where you live in one unit of a multifamily property while renting out the others to cover expenses and generate income. There are also niche opportunities in real estate, such as vacation rentals or commercial spaces tailored to emerging markets like co-working hubs. Technology has further revolutionized the sector, with platforms offering fractional ownership of properties worldwide. These platforms not only lower the barrier to entry, but also diversify risk by letting you invest in properties across various locations and markets. Whether you're building a portfolio from scratch or enhancing an existing one, real estate provides scalable, adaptable options that cater to both beginner and seasoned investors. Next, let's talk about stocks and index funds. Contrary to popular belief, the stock market isn't just for the elite. It's a powerful wealth-building tool for everyone. Index funds like the S&P 500 offer diversification and steady returns over time. Imagine earning a 10% annual return by simply letting your money grow. For instance, if you invest $500 monthly in an index fund with an 8% average annual return for 20 years, you'd accumulate over $300,000. Stocks and index funds allow your money to grow passively while you focus on other pursuits. Digital products have become a game changer in the world of wealth building, offering low overhead costs and the potential for scalability. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is their global reach. Unlike physical products, which are limited by location and logistics, digital goods can be sold worldwide with just a few clicks. This creates a unique opportunity to tap into vast international markets without the complexities of traditional business operations. What's more, digital products can be endlessly repackaged and marketed to different audiences, maximizing their revenue potential. For example, an ebook or online course can be updated with new content, offering customers continued value while maintaining relevance. Templates, design files, and software tools can also be sold as a subscription service, providing recurring income. The beauty of digital products is their ability to generate ongoing revenue with minimal maintenance. Once created, they continue to sell themselves, especially with the power of automation and digital marketing strategies. You can set up automated sales funnels to nurture leads and turn them into loyal customers, driving passive income around the clock. If you've created something original, you have another valuable asset: intellectual property. This includes trademarks, patents, and copyrights that can generate royalties or licensing fees. For instance, the Happy Birthday song has earned millions annually in royalties. Intellectual property allows you to profit from your creativity for years to come. Whether it's an invention, a piece of music, or a book, protecting your work could turn it into a reliable income stream. If you are still here with me, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. Moving on, business ownership is a proven way to build wealth quickly. Whether you start your own company, buy into a franchise, or co-own a startup, owning a business gives you control over your income and potential growth. For instance, Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage, and today it's one of the largest companies in the world. Even on a smaller scale, business ownership allows you to create opportunities and scale your success. Entering the realm of digital currencies, cryptocurrency offers another avenue for wealth creation. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have delivered massive returns to early investors. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary asset class that offers unique opportunities for wealth creation. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are countless other cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based projects that are expanding the landscape. Many of these digital assets are based on innovative technologies that have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, offering investors a chance to get in early on high-growth opportunities. In addition to buying and holding coins, cryptocurrency offers alternative ways to build wealth. For instance, staking allows investors to earn passive income by locking up their coins in a blockchain network, helping to secure the network while earning rewards. Decentralized finance platforms are also gaining traction, allowing individuals to lend, borrow, or earn interest on their crypto holdings, often at much higher rates than traditional banks offer. Furthermore, the world of NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens, has created new avenues for ownership and investment, particularly in art, collectibles, and virtual assets. NFTs are unique digital items stored on the blockchain, providing a new way to buy, sell, and trade assets with verifiable ownership. Cryptocurrency's decentralized nature also gives it the potential for long-term financial freedom, as it allows individuals to have more control over their wealth without relying on traditional banks or institutions. However, it's important to approach this asset with caution, conduct thorough research, and understand the risks involved, as the market can be highly volatile. Collectibles and art are unconventional but profitable investments. From rare stamps to digital NFTs, these assets can increase significantly in value over time. For example, a Pokemon card purchased for $50 in the 1990s sold for $200,000 in 2021. Similarly, digital artworks like Beeple's NFTs have sold for millions. Investing in collectibles and art allows you to combine passion with profit, making it a unique wealth-building strategy. Lastly, your personal brand is an asset you already own. Your personal brand is a powerful asset that can be leveraged in numerous ways to create long-term wealth. It's about more than just building an online following. It's about strategically positioning yourself as an expert in your field, cultivating trust with your audience, and offering value that resonates with people. Once you've established your brand, you can monetize it in various ways. Sponsorships and brand partnerships are a great way to generate income, as companies are often willing to pay influencers to promote their products or services to a relevant audience. In addition, creating and selling your own products, whether it's merchandise, digital products, or even services like coaching or consulting, allows you to diversify your income streams. For example, YouTubers, podcasters, and bloggers often use their platforms not only to build their reputation, but to create businesses around their content. By expanding your brand into a business, you have the potential to generate revenue not just from your content, but from launching courses, webinars, membership sites, and more. Another critical aspect of personal branding is creating a community. Platforms like Patreon or exclusive Facebook groups allow you to nurture a loyal following and turn your brand into a community-driven business, where members pay for access to exclusive content, advice, or perks. This adds a recurring revenue stream that can grow with your brand. As your personal brand gains influence, you'll find opportunities to collaborate with other entrepreneurs or businesses, increasing your exposure and reach. The key is to stay consistent, be authentic, and continually look for ways to provide value to your audience, turning your personal brand into a long-term wealth-generating asset. Building wealth through the right assets is a smart and strategic move. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and the information shared here is meant to give you an overview of potential wealth-building opportunities. It's crucial that you do your own research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Each asset comes with its own risks and rewards. So take the time to understand what works best for your financial goals. Stay informed, stay consistent, and keep learning as you take steps toward creating lasting wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your financial journey.